So where was the food coming from? Were you distributing food for an NGO?
No. A friend of mine is a veterinarian. She does wildlife preserve with iguanas on the border of Asabit and Bernal. So she's in an apartment there. She lives in New York as well. I know her very well. She came like me, find a way, and bought everything at the border and wanted to come into the city. So we communicated, and our sisters were communicating together to bring us together. She came, and it was basically out of pocket.
So you were distributing food that you guys bought. The
Yes.
two of you bought the food, found a place that needed the food. After sounds like you were doing a little needs identification.
Yes.
And then you just
That's
got
what
involved in food distribution. And
Most of the community people here, that's what they're doing. They're not getting it from a major organization. They're like buying sacks of rice or whatever it is, making the food, and then giving it to people, either hot food or making, food that can sustain a family, where it's like bags of rice, bags of oatmeal, bags of cornmeal, things like that they can use for a week and not just for a day. Something that could sustain a family for a period of time.
wonderful.